Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to mark workbook on Excel as final. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Whenever I finish preparing a report in Excel, I always mark the workbook as final. This simple step ensures that no one can accidentally make change. It's like putting hands off, label on my work, signaling that the document is complete and ready for review without further edits. It's like a read-only mode. Making a workbook as final is like sealing an envelope before sending it. So, how to do it? It's very simple. So, first of all, you have to open the Excel document that you want to mark as final. This one. Now, you can go to File. Here, click on File. You can go to Info. And you'll find there is an option in here. Protect Workbook. You can just click on that. And you'll find there's an option like always open read only, encrypted password, protect current sheet. You can choose on mark as final. Click on mark as final. And this workbook will be marked as final and then save. You can just click on OK. Okay, so this document has been marked as final to indicate that editing is complete and that this is the finished version of the document. You can just click on OK. So it's done. It's very simple, right? So that is how to mark Workbook in Excel as final. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.